Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix SMART 8 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find my phone, which is at the top of this list. Now let's localize the build number, which is actually notified right here. I mean, it is in this kind of highlighted section. Let's try this option. Okay, so as you can see, fortunately, we do not really have to enter other sections. All we have to do here is to keep tapping on the build number until we will see that we are in the developer mode. So now we can go back to the general settings and scroll down to the very bottom to find system. Now the developer options will appear at the very bottom of the list, so let's simply tap on it. And there we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can force the desktop mode, we can simulate the color space, animator duration scale. We can show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected with networking overall, because we've got the Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So basically, in order to turn on the feature, we have to tap on the switcher on it. And as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Simply tap on this switcher, which is pinned to the, maybe not top of the list, but top of the screen. And after tapping on it, most of the options will be inactive. After getting back to the system settings, they should disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build numbers tab and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.